Good evening, afternoon, or morning, depending where you are right now. Thought I changed that up, it sounds better. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I got a lock that was sent to me from Mr. Bearsback. This is the key. I have no idea what the Q pass QC2 is on it. This is the bidding. The lock is called the Maxus. So I gotta set it in the vise. Can you guys see that? Can't see my camera. I'm hoping you got this an angle right there. I'm gonna be using my beautiful pick from Jason Carlson called Chopper. If you've never seen a picture of my bike, he's nailed this to the exact, I think, what my bike looks like color-wise. There's also a soft tail coming in, so I can't wait for that. So let's see what we can do about opening this. Get this a little bit more in frame, turn it this way. It's hard for me to pick this way, but I do it. Click on one, just a teeny movement there. 2, 3, got a little click. 4, got a click. 5, I got a little counter rotation going on here. Okay, a little movement of the core. And 6, a little teeny click on that. It's hard to get in there with this paracenter keyway here. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. A nice click there. Click. Look at this. Click. 6. And I got a little bit more movement. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, teeny click there. 4, nice click, a teeny movement. Counter rotation on 5. Got a little bit more. Got a nice false set going. Got to pick up this little ledge right here. Okay, that was the start of the beginning. Nice click out of 1, 2, 3. I got counter rotation on. Got a little click there and some more movement. Come on. Kind of tension wrenches start just slipping out. Okay, that was 5. 6. Back to the beginning. Get in there. Nice click out of 1, 2, 3. Got counter rotation. Nice. Got a little bit more movement. 4, 5. It's counter rotation on 5. Okay, got a small click out of 5. And 6. That's on. Feels like something. Okay, I got a little kick out of 6. at number 1, and we're open. Chopper. You gotta see my bike, guys. This was okay. A little on the hurting side, but this was kind of fun. Been making pins all day long. If I remember at the end of the video to show you my pins that I made all day today, breaking my ass on. I'll give you. I'm probably just gonna forget, but someone yell at me. Oh, okay. I got that. I need a pinning tray. And I put that there. Boy, I could sure use a nice wooden pinning tray, guys. Alright, let me see what I got here. Yeah, get the clip off. And get my screwdriver. Come on. A follower. That's where I need a shim. I only had one. God, come out there. Okay. Tweezer. Looks like I lost just the first pin here. So, number 1. Whoa, don't want those to come out. It's the Android rule pins. God, how do I do this? It's 3. That's 2. I just didn't want these pins shooting out, but what the hell, I don't care. 3. 4. Damn it. 5. And 6. You got the 2 anti-drill pins in the front there. Right there, both of them. Just trying to keep that in play. The core has not been modified in any way. I don't need to show you. Take my word. Stock. Alright. No problems. Problem. Number 1. Okay. I just watched it dump, but I'll get it. No problem. 2 is a nice spool, so it was in stock. 2. Kind of a weird spring there. Okay, gotcha. 3 is another, that's a triple spool. And another one of those kind of weird springs. Gotcha. Looks like just a standard 4. Another weirdo spring. Six. Another spool. Weird spring. And last one is a standard. And it's got a weird spring. I know all the springs are the same. I just dropped one on the floor. Do you want to wait? Thank you. Gotcha. I like to do without the cat here, but damn it, everything all over. I'm getting rid of you, cat. The core itself is stock. There's nothing going on in there. Completely stock. Okay, now that I dumped the 2 anti-drill pins, at least they went on a tray. So that's what I got. Nice little, I guess it's a Euro lock. Not sure. These are basically, don't know if you could see them very good. I don't want to lay them out. Video is probably long enough, but some really gorgeous pins I got in there. Also, more in this bag, so been busy. Alright, thank you for watching this old man. Anyway, please let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Let me give you a close-up of what I got here. I'm going to try to get my pins in there too. On the bottom, they're all standard pins. I know I didn't arrange them. 1, 2 is upside down. I believe 3 is up, 4 is upside down. The rest of them are right. On the top, we got a spool. I mean, a standard. We got a spool. We got a triple spool in 3, a standard in 4, a spool in 5, and a standard in 6. And just to give you a little close-up, here are some of the pins I've been making. Hopefully I can get it out to the community and let you guys think, share it, try it, tell me what you think of my pins. Haven't seen my update of my messy desk, but here it is again. Got some really nice locks in the back. I have Mr. Bill Bacardi get me some cores for some really nice locks. I can't wait to share that with you. If you see that EDC in the back there, that's another knife I plan on giving away in another giveaway. Very, very cool knife. You should see this thing. In that bag over there with the blue lining is all the stock locks that I've turned into challenge locks. So, That's basically what I got. Got a lot of stuff in the back, decoders, you name it. The breaker bars. It's over there. Got the short. I'm not going to go into it. I can't. But that's what I got. Thank you for watching. Have a good what's rest of your weekend. Okay, I'm gone.